Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. Today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to link your Etsy shop to your TikTok. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com if you're not already. So go ahead and open up the official website, and after doing so, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page. So in the upper right corner, we can get started. Once you open up the main page, we can get started logging in. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is go and create one. And if you have one, just log in normally to your Etsy account where your store is. So once you're logged in, now you can get started. This is going to be your main page from where we can get started with taking a look at all the products that we can use. We can take a look at with our store manager option right here to manage our shop. And now let's go and take a look at how you link it to TikTok. Basically guys, what we're going to do is open up your store. You can either open up your store by going to the shop manager option, or you can just open up your profile normally by your profile right here, depending if you want to take people to your profile or to your store directly. So once you open up your store, it's going to look something like this, and at the top of the screen we're going to have the URL bar. So if you open up your profile or your store, doesn't matter, you're always going to have a URL bar right here at the top of the screen that you can get started copying. So you want to copy this is the link that takes people to your store. You want to copy this link right here. So once you have copied it, it's going to enable people that open it up to be taken to your store and open it up yourself. So what you're going to do is just go to TikTok normally and get started linking your Etsy shop using the social media option. Just know that you need at least 1,000 followers to be able to link your store. So once you're ready to link your store, you can just copy the link you have found right here, link it to your TikTok, save it, and now people will be able to access your Etsy shop through TikTok, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.